Welcome to my channel. Usually, I produce videos on abroad education for latest technologies, job vacancies in different organizations, and scholarships from different organizations, universities. In the present video, I would like to talk about study abroad is a life-changing and enriching experience. Exploring the world through a different lens can be a life changing and enriching experience. Academic exchanges and internships with the partner universities have grown exponentially over the past few decades. So, what is the big attractions to studying abroad? Cultural appreciation, self discovery, enhanced employability skills, and getting out of your comfort zone can offer unlimited opportunities for personal and professional growth. Since transitioning to Denmark, learning curve of local study options has been tremendous and keen to observe and spread the word about a regional initiative. Point number one, broaden horizons globally. A remarkable opportunity for international students to study in Denmark is the Council on International Educational Exchange. Founded as a cultural and peacemaking effort in 1940s, CIEE, Council on International Educational Exchange, is recognized as a premier study exchange program worldwide. The Copenhagen Global Institute was established 2 years ago, located in the heart of the city. University students from United States can choose to visit Denmark during a semester or customize their experience by combining studies at two or three of the other global institutes in Berlin, Buenos Aires, Cape Town, London, Madrid, Monteverde, Paris, Rome, Shanghai, or Sydney. Denmark should feel like a home away from home for each exchange students, and CIEE staff focus on creating an atmosphere for students that reflects the Danish values. Karin Klisgaard Moller, Director CIEE, Copenhagen Global Institute. Besides an ideal location, there are numerous other factors to consider when studying abroad. What do you hope to gain from the experience? How do you find those aha moments that may influence the next step of your career or educational journey? Global experiences can make a candidate stand out through their appreciation of diverse cultures, identification of global trends, or adaptability to new environments. Most importantly, find an experience you are passionate about and stay true to your goals. Next point, happiness and hygiene. An introduction to Danish culture is a core component of CIEE Copenhagen Institute. Through academic and leisure activities, internationals make valuable connections to the Danish way of life. There is no better way to get a taste of Danish lifestyle than to rent a bike, rain or shine, and tour this vibrant city. Or what about an authentic Danish dinner hosted by a Danish family, offering a personal touch? Students get to appreciate the customs, traditions, and fully embrace the high lifestyle. The next point is experiential learning. Students can explore 6 academic tracks with flexible study options: business, communications, journalism, and new media, global community health, international relations and political science, language, literature, and culture. STEM and society. Courses vary by region, but one common theme exists. 70% of core classes are taught at institute globally, while 30% are local electives. The latter is focused on encouraging students to integrate with the local culture, but all courses will have some local component. Why not explore a Coca-Cola facility as part of a making course or experience finance at a national bank in Denmark? How about delving into Viking studies with an excursion to a Viking fishing village, or analyze literature through the eyes of world renowned author Hans Christian Andersen? The study of Scandinavian happiness, a popular elective, incorporates sociology and statistics, measuring variables to explain why Scandinavians top the charts in happiness rankings. Author Mike Viking, The Little Book of Hygie and The Little Book of Like even makes an appearance, inspiring students with his insights. Achieving university credits while gaining cultural appreciation has its advantages. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video interesting, you can like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want the latest updates, please click on bell icon.